In this video, I'll show you how to manage multiple Facebook pages in Business Manager step by step. Business Manager makes it easy to manage several pages from one dashboard without switching between accounts. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Accounts, then select Pages. Here, you'll see all the Facebook pages connected to your Business Manager. To add another page, click Add and choose Add a Page, Request Access to a Page, or Create a New Page, depending on your needs. Once your pages are added, you can assign team members by going to People, selecting a user, and choosing which pages they can access. You can also manage page permissions, messages, notifications, and content from Meta Business Suite. Switch between pages using the page selector at the top of the dashboard to create posts, view insights, and manage ads for each page. That's how you can easily manage multiple Facebook pages in Business Manager from one secure account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.